Temu versus Pandabuy, which shopping site is better? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which shopping site is better among Temu and Pandabuy. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So beginning with Temu. Temu offers a vast selection of products across various categories from electronics to fashion. Known for affordable pricing and frequent discounts, making it a budget-friendly option. Easy to navigate website and app, providing a smooth shopping experience. Generally quick shipping times, especially for domestic orders. Offers responsive customer service with multiple contact options, including live chat. While some users have reported inconsistencies in product quality, especially with lower priced items, primarily focused on certain regions with limited shipping options for international customers. Return policies may be stricter or less convenient compared to competitors. Now, let's come towards Pandabuy. Pandabuy focuses on unique and niche products, often including international and hard to find items. It offers competitive pricing, particularly on specialty and imported goods. Features an easy to use website and mobile app with a clean design. Provides secure payment options and transaction protection. Has generally positive reviews for customer support and assistance. Somehow, shipping times can be longer, especially for international orders. It has a smaller selection compared to larger, more general shopping sites, and there can be potentially higher shipping or handling fees, particularly for international shipments. Choosing between Temu and Pandabuy in 2024 depends on your shopping needs and preferences. Temu offers a broad product range with competitive prices and fast shipping, while Pandabuy specializes in unique and niche items with secure transactions and generally positive customer support. Consider your priorities for product variety, shipping times, and customer service to determine which shopping site aligns best with your needs. That's all for this video.